As we age, especially after 60, your knees and lower back don't just weaken due to normal wear and tear. They degrade because the joints enter a state of silent chronic inflammation. This is a destructive phase where the stem cells responsible for repairing cartilage and producing synovial fluid enter a deep state of dormancy. What traditional orthopedic clinics rarely tell you is that a specific natural compound has been clinically proven to penetrate the skin when applied at night, signaling these dormant cells to wake up and suppressing joint pain, just like heavy pharmaceutical medications, but without the toxic side effects on your stomach and kidneys. The real danger with chronic knee and lower back pain isn't just the daytime discomfort, it's a massive buildup of oxidative stress that literally chokes off nutrient-rich blood flow to your cartilage during the night. This is exactly why you wake up feeling incredibly stiff, experiencing sharp pain with your very first step and struggling to bend or stretch. While traditional medicine hands out oral painkillers that degrade your stomach lining and stress your liver over time, the safer, highly targeted alternative relies on direct transdermal delivery straight into the affected joint while your body rests. The specific substance that modern clinical trials are calling a breakthrough in joint health is pure black seed oil, derived from Nigella sativa. But let's look past the casual wellness gossip and focus strictly on peer-reviewed science. This oil contains a powerful bioactive compound called thymoquinone. Out of the more than 2,000 published scientific studies on this molecule, one critical study published in the journal Stem Cell Research and Therapy demonstrated that thymoquinone directly activates the WNT/beta-catenin signaling pathway. In plain terms, it acts as a cellular wake-up call for the dormant stem cells inside your joint tissue, triggering them to actively repair worn-down cartilage and halt joint degradation. When you massage this oil directly onto your knees and lower back, two critical biological events take place. First, it inhibits the COX-2 enzyme. This is the exact pathway responsible for sending sharp pain and inflammatory signals to your brain after a long day. It achieves this block just like popular over-the-counter anti-inflammatories, but with absolute safety for your digestive system. Second, it drastically improves localized circulation. The gentle friction of the massage dilates the microvessels surrounding your kneecaps and spinal vertebrae, allowing the amino acids and nutrients you consume during the day to finally reach the avascular cartilage zones and begin the repair process. But why does science insist on applying this right before bed? It comes down to chronobiology, the study of your body's natural internal clock. Between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m., your skin undergoes a phase called high nocturnal conductance. Your skin barrier becomes significantly more permeable, allowing joints and deep tissues to absorb topically applied compounds at up to twice the rate compared to daytime hours. Furthermore, your body's natural cellular repair processes and growth hormone secretion peak during deep sleep, magnifying the structural benefits of the oil. To see these cellular changes, quality is absolutely paramount. Cheap, heat-processed, or chemically extracted oils are completely stripped of their active thymoquinone. You must look for an organic, cold-pressed, unrefined black seed oil that explicitly lists a thymoquinone content of 1% to 3% on the label. For the application protocol, warm about half a teaspoon of the oil between your palms and massage it directly into your knees or lower back using gentle circular motions with light pressure for 2 full minutes until you feel a localized warmth in the joint. Let the oil absorb fully for 10 minutes before getting into bed. Commit to this routine every single night for at least 8 weeks, because real biological restructuring takes time. To be completely transparent and medically responsible, if you are currently taking prescription blood thinners, please consult your physician first, as thymoquinone possesses mild anticoagulant properties. Maintaining the structural integrity of your joints, Your ability to walk freely and bend without pain is not a luxury. It is the foundation of your independence and quality of life after 60. In our next episode, we'll break down a precise combination of two natural nutrients shown in clinical trials to reduce arterial stiffness by up to 30% in just 90 days to protect both your heart and mobility. Make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss it. Stay healthy and stay strong.